Hi ladies and gentlemen, I just want to go over your assignment for today really quickly. On Schoology you will have all the materials that you need. So as you log in, you're going to go to the reading folder, Global Read Aloud folder, PACS, you're going to open that up, and we are working on week 4. So open up the orange folder, open up the orange folder. We open it up in your view. You're going to see down here is Wednesday, October 26th. As you open up that folder, you're going to notice there's a bunch of different things in here for you. Some of them are optional, and then some of them are the things you have to do. So this first thing up here is what you have to do. When you click on that, it's going to give you the directions for the assignment. This is due Friday by 9 a.m. and is not homework tonight. So if you don't get it done today in class, you can work on it tomorrow as well. Your very first job is to go through the text, and you're going to read chapters 18 and 19 in the text. So sections 2, 3, and 4, your job, we're going to start at chapter 18. 1, 2, and 3. Section 4, we had a really good discussion yesterday, so we didn't get to finish chapter 17. So finish chapter 17 and then move on to chapters 18 and 19. So first thing you have to do is go through and read all of chapter 18 and all of chapter 19. After that, you're going to go through and practice finding figurative language just like we did yesterday. We did it in class as an example yesterday. Today, it's your time to do it. So feel free to go back and review what we did yesterday. That page is in there. You may work with a partner if you would like, but it needs to be focused working. You know how to choose good partners, so please make sure you do that. Take a look at the rubric also. That way you know what you're being graded on. This is the assignment that you're actually going to be completing then. And it's just the first page. I'm not sure why there's a second page with it, but you just need the first page. Here is where you're going to put the page number, the figurative language that you found in the text, identify what that is, and then talk about what the figurative language means and how it adds to the text. So read my example first, and you'll find that helpful. Okay, this is the page you're working on. You're going to put 4 examples. 1, 2, 3, 4 there. Okay, that's what you're working on today. So you're going to read through the text one time first, then you're going to read through it a second time, and you're going to specifically look for the figurative language to identify it and figure out the meaning. If you're having trouble finding figurative language, I have put a lot of help in the Schoology folder for you. So the first thing you'll see is figurative language review. These are the same things that we talked about yesterday, just a little bit different of format. Feel free to review those, refresh your memory of what each of the different types of figurative language are that you could be looking for. Next, you'll see a page that says, do you need some help finding figurative language in chapters 18 and 19? So after you have read it once, so read it through once, if you need some help finding figurative language, you're going to work through the following documents in order. And it's going to help you find some of it. There are over 15 examples of figurative language in these 2 chapters, and I'm sure there's even more that I missed, but there's tons and tons of it. So you can work through the documents. After you work through each quiz, hint, you need to refresh your page so that the next item unlocks. If you don't refresh your page, it will not unlock for you. There is not figurative language necessarily on every page, so be patient, keep reading, it's there. There's actually a ton more in chapter 19 than there is in 18, at least that I identified, so be patient. You do not have to do these quiz hints. If you don't need the help, don't do them. But if you need some help, go for it. They're there for you. So as you open up the hint, you'll see that there is a quiz question, and it'll tell you what page it's on. It's going to tell you exactly where it is. You have to identify what type of figurative language it is. Okay, so there are actually, open this here, 4 different hints, and then down here I give you 8 examples, but you have to unlock them all first if you need the help. If you don't need the help, then don't worry about it, just do your very best. Okay, so you're working on this assignment. In Notability you have paper copies of the text. Do not write on these. We're going to use them from class to class, so please don't write on them so we can share. If you need help, use the hints, and of course ask questions. So do your best. I can't wait to read what you wrote and what you think about the figurative language.